KCTV5 stands for you, and we continue tracking the latest surrounding the COVID-19 vaccine. Here's Joe Chiodo with tonight's Good Question report.
Will kids get the coronavirus vaccine? And if so, when? That's a good question. We looked into it for you. Here's what we know so far. Children will be eligible to receive that vaccine eventually, but it may be many, many months into 2021 first. Most of the research and clinical trials done so far have only been conducted on adults. Pfizer, for example, just recently began conducting trials on kids and only those as young as 12 years old. Right now, they're the only company even testing on kids. Earlier this month, the American Academy of Pediatrics called on researchers to broaden the trial to include more children. That's a warning that there could be a significant delay in access to a child vaccine if they don't start acting quickly. Now, here's why research is so important onto this specific age group. Kids are, of course, known carriers and spreaders of coronavirus. A recent study, in fact, in JAMA Pediatrics notes that children younger than 5 can carry up to 100 times more of the virus in their nose compared to older children and adults. And when it comes to any vaccine for any illness, a smaller dose of the same adult vaccine often does work. But there are also instances where the formula needs altered, considering kids' immune systems are different than a fully developed person. Doctors need to figure out the safest formula and the safest amount. Here's some good news, though. Because the adult trials have gone so well so far, if children respond in a similar way, or maybe even better, which happens in some vaccine trials, the pediatric trial would likely move much more quickly. As for a timetable, experts are saying it will likely be late 2021 until the childhood vaccine is available. It's likely teenagers would get it before the youngest kids. The main goal here is to get a childhood vaccine approved and running before the start of the 2021 school year, though experts warn that is not guaranteed. So they are telling parents to prepare for potentially more remote learning next school year. Now, if you have a good question, we would love to look into it. You can email me at goodquestion@kctv5.com. Joe Chiodo, KCTV5 News.